I'm attorney Koehler, and I focus my practice on people who are facing very difficult financial struggles. And over the years, I've helped dozens of good people with families and careers and normal lives get themselves into better financial situations. I focus on helping folks get relief from the horrible stress of debt, foreclosure, lawsuits from creditors, garnishments, harassing creditor calls. And it's very rewarding to me to help these people because they're normal people that come from all walks of life. They're all ages. They're men and women. But they all face this terrible financial stress. And it's really rewarding for me to be able to almost instantly improve their financial situation and relieve that burden from them. Well, I've almost never run into a client who wanted to file bankruptcy because they thought it was easy or who deliberately defrauded their creditors or ran up their bills. The reasons people file bankruptcy are usually medical bills that, you know, they're living paycheck to paycheck, and something bad happens and they have to go to the hospital and they're thrown into a huge debt because of it. Lots of things can happen to normal people: death of a spouse, for instance, or divorce, foreclosure on your house, loss of a job, especially with the economy the way that it's been the last few years. And all these reasons are perfectly valid reasons for you to file bankruptcy, and you should never feel ashamed or embarrassed. It's not your fault that something out of your control like that has happened to you. It's very rare for a client to lose something that they own when they file bankruptcy. The reason is that the Bankruptcy Code has lots of exemptions that protect a good number of your assets. In extreme cases where someone owns has some sort of asset that is very valuable, they might have to lose that. But for your average, everyday folks, you're not going to probably lose anything when you file bankruptcy. Well, it's a difficult question that almost all my clients have. If you are filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, then most of my fees will be paid through the Chapter 13 plan throughout the period of your bankruptcy, which could be several years. If you're filing Chapter 7, then the fees that we charge are very small in comparison to the tens of thousands of dollars that you're going to save by filing bankruptcy. What the $299 bankruptcy filers do is they basically look at filing bankruptcy like it's filing your taxes. They aren't supposed to give you any kind of legal information because they're not attorneys, they're not licensed to practice law. So all they really do is fill in blanks on the bankruptcy petition. What you need is someone to look at your case and your particular situation, your income and your assets, and make very important decisions, or help you make very important decisions about how you're going to file bankruptcy, what chapters to use, how to treat the assets, how to, even the timing of things can be important, and those bankruptcy petition preparers can't tell you any of that stuff. So a lot of mistakes can be made when someone's just filling in a form versus when you're talking to an attorney who has experience dealing with bankruptcy cases, knows how the trustee is going to treat your case, and can give you advice that a bankruptcy petition preparer just can't give you. You can call anytime, 24/7, and you'll be treated with the utmost respect and care possible. If you call during business hours, my secretaries are trained to answer your call quickly and get you over to me, or take a message if I'm not available. And I'll always return your call within the day. If you call after hours, your call will be forwarded to my cell phone directly, and I will answer. If I'm not available, you can leave a message and I'll get back to you that day. It's very important to me that my clients can contact me directly and always be able to get a hold of me if they need to. Anything that you tell me or any attorney is kept 100% confidential. I don't tell anyone, not even my wife or my dog, anything about any of the cases that I have. So you can talk to me in complete confidence, and never fear never fear having anything leak out to anybody else. So if you want to get more information about charges and laws before you call, I've got a series of informative articles that you can access by clicking on the Information tab. If you're ready to contact me, the most direct way to call me is at 801-441-2013. My office is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can call anytime 24/7. If you call outside of normal business hours, your call will be forwarded directly to my cell phone. If you'd rather email me, you can use the Contact Us form on my website, or you can email me at court@saltlakeduidefense.com. Our offices are located in South Jordan on Riverfront Parkway, which is approximately 900 West. The best way to get there is to come down 106 South and then turn right on Riverfront Parkway, and you'll see an office park with blue and tan office buildings, and you want to find the one that's number 10808. You walk in, the elevator bank is right there. You go up to the 3rd floor, and there will be a secretary, and she'll show you right back to my office. I look forward to helping you get through this tough situation.